Welcome to Lesson 2 of the Python Crash Course. In this session, we are going to move from zero to a professional development environment by setting up Python and Visual Studio Code correctly. Our goals are clear. Install Python, verify the setup, configure our editor, and run our very first script.
This setup is foundational. Whether you are aiming for data analysis, statistics, or machine learning, getting this right today will prevent countless headaches tomorrow.
Python is a high-level language designed for readability and rapid development. It's the perfect tool for automation and complex analytical systems.
Exactly. In this course, we treat Python as our computational backbone, the engine that makes our data-driven systems reliable and reproducible.
Step 1 is getting the installer. You must always download Python from the official source, python.org.
Make sure to grab version 3.10 or newer. Avoid third-party installers or OS-level package managers unless you really know what you are doing.
When you run the installer, there is a critical checkbox that many beginners miss.
Look at the arrow on screen. You must check Add Python to Path. This variable allows your system to locate Python. Without it, your commands will fail unpredictably.
Now, let's confirm it works. Open your terminal or command prompt.
Type Python --version. If you see Python March 10th, 13 or a similar version number, you are good to go. If you get an error, revisit the previous steps.
With Python installed, we need a place to write code. We've chosen Visual Studio Code because it's lightweight, yet professional grade.
It scales perfectly from your first script to complex industrial projects, and its integration with Python is second to none.
Head over to code.visualstudio.com to download the version for your operating system.
As with Python, stay on the safe side and only use the official source to ensure you have the latest security updates.
To unlock VS Code's full potential, we need to install a few essential extensions.
Search for Python, Pylance, and Jupyter in the Extensions panel. These will provide you with debugging tools, linting, and notebook support.
Organization is key. Let's create a dedicated folder for this course.
Name it Python_course and open it in VS Code via the File menu. This directory is where all your future scripts will live.
Time for the classic Hello World. Create a new file called lesson_01.py.
Type print followed by hello, Python in quotes and parentheses. Don't forget to save the file before moving on.
Let's break down that line. The print function sends data to your terminal.
And the text inside quotes is called a string. Python simply interprets this as an instruction to display that specific word on your screen.
To execute the code, you can use the Run and Debug sidebar.
Just click Run and Debug, or press F5. Select Python file if prompted, and watch your message appear in the terminal below.
If you prefer a faster way, there is a dedicated shortcut right in the editor.
Click the play button in the top right corner. VS Code will instantly run the script and show the output in the terminal.
Fantastic work. You now have a fully functional Python environment ready for action.
In Lesson 3, we will start coding for real, exploring variables and syntax. Visit our site for practice exercises.